Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen, and today I have entries number 5 and 6 on this video. And number 5 is Miss Marla Rizzo, and I opened the lid just so it'd be easier and I don't show any addresses, but look at her entry. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, I love this bag. Okay, enough Eileen, it's a bag, but it's so cute guys. I really appreciate it. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, let's take it all out of the box. Let's slide this over and let's see. So here's the card. Oh my gosh, Marla, what did you do? Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's any theme. So here, I'm gonna open her card. Oh, look at the sticker. It says trick or treat. Look at his face. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna get used to the camera, guys. I'll figure it out soon. Look at this adorable little witch. Are you kidding me? Oh, you are stinking cute. Look at them feet. This is so pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh, I could just frame this right now. Oh my goodness. Okay, the card says best witches for a fun Halloween. Hey Eileen, thought I would start my Halloween crafting early this year, starting with my entry. Yes. I hope you like what I made for you. Hope you have an amazing birthday too. Thank you, Marla. All right, let's get into it, guys. So let's open this. Let's open this one. Look at this beautiful ribbon, guys. Oh my gosh, sorry I'm out of frame. I'm so used to going this way. The camera's over here now. Or the camera eye is right here. Anyway, this beautiful ribbon, it says boo. Oh, so cute. Did you make this box? She made this box, guys. Oh my gosh, it got crushed a little bit, babe, but you know me. You know us crafters, we good. Just like all that, we gotcha. Isn't that cool? Oh my gosh. Yes, she made this box. Look at this. Oops. Whoops. Look at the confetti. Oh my gosh, I got Halloween pumpkins. I'm sorry, the camera keeps shaking because I'm hitting the table. I gotta find a different way. I will find a way, guys. I will find a way. So what? Oh no, this is her. Oh no, I'm gonna put this back, put it back. I didn't see nothing. I'm not gonna look at that one yet. Okay, so let's go into this one. Let's see what she gave us. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. You guys, oh my gosh, runaway bones. Look at the bats. Oh my goodness. Look at the mummies. This is a dimensional sticker. It's one of those, I don't know. Why do I not know the word for that? It's a globe. It's a, I don't know. Let me stop trying to guess it. Look at the Halloween butterfly. You guys. Oh my gosh, we could pull out the papers and chop up all the butterflies in Halloween paper. Oh, look at the sequins. Marla, thank you. This is a sequins guys. And a skull. Oh, look at this flower. You guys, this is a cute little bag. Oh, look at that. It says, creep it real. Creep it real. And you have a candy corn. I love pom-poms. Oh my gosh. Look at this color. Oh my gosh, I love that color. And we have some mini bones and ribbon. I love candy corn, guys. FYI. I love eating it. The real candy corns. Okay. Oh, this pumpkin. Look at these bats. Did she? Are these the Dollar Tree bats? Okay, I might be wrong, but what? Yeah, I think she put like you know, stuff on it. That helps, I think. Stuff. Then you got a spider web, and there's that globe again. I can't remember. Oh, look at the pumpkin. Another skull bead. Whoops. All the way to the floor. Here we go. Little skull bead. Look at this gorgeous satin flower. Oh my gosh, I love this, Marla. Thank you so much. And I'm especially loving these spiders. I'm going to keep those. So I'm going to push this. Oh, actually. Whoa. Okay, guys, I don't know. I think I'm running out of space, so I need to hurry up. So here's the... Ooh, this is a cute bag, but we got to open it. She's got staples on here. Very cute. What did you put in here, my love? Oh my goodness, she's got little sequins, blue sequins. Got it wrapped in like these, what's this shred? Iridescent shred. And purple. Oh yes. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh. If you know what movie that's from, comment down below. What's this? What's this? I can't believe my eyes. What's this? Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at her sticker. Oh my gosh, you guys. Nina's Crafty Mom. I love it, babe. I love it. Okay. Once again, I don't want to undo anything. And this is, I don't know. I have to untie it because it's tied up really well. Look at this. Lost in the Darkness. Oh my gosh. This is the cutest little orange little bow. So adorable. This is so teeny tiny, guys. It says October, Happy Halloween, then the boo, the beautiful broomstick, and she's got a spider in there too. 2 spiders. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Fright Night. Oh my goodness. And there's another one, Creep It Real. And she's got some coffins, spiderweb coffins. These are die cuts. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. It's another embellishment book, guys. More of the die cuts. Oh, spiderweb. blankets. I love spiderweb blankets, by the way. And then she's got some, ooh, what is that? Oh my gosh, what are that? I don't know, I can't speak. We got some beautiful rosettes. Oh my gosh, you know this is gonna be so hard to use. Some iridescent stickers here. Says spooky night, boo to you, boo. And she's got a little black cat. FYI, she has a little black cat. She really does. And this pom-pom paper clips, so cute, guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. She has a black cat. I'm serious. She's a cat lover. So we have some sequin mix, and it says trick or treat. But look at that mix. Marla, thank you. I don't have any of those black and white striped sequins. I need to get some, and I don't know where to get it. So comment down below, guys, if you know where they're located, so I can find some to share. You know, share. This one says Happy Halloween. It's this little card envelope thingamajigs. What is in here? More die cuts. More die cuts. Look at that. Deadly poison. I think she used stickles on this, guys. Unless it came like that, I'm not sure. And then she's got some ghosties and pumpkins. Oh my god, I love it. Look at these. These are the the Walmart table scatters, guys. They're hard to come by here at my store for some odd reason. Oh my gosh, belladonna. Oh my goodness, spiders. Oh, I love it, Marla. Thank you. I'm excited for Halloween. For traditional Halloween, guys. So all those, you know, previous projects, they were all pastel-y. This time I want to do traditional Halloween because I still love the traditional stuff, you know. I don't know, it's just me. And then she's got some spiders and a foamy bat and some bows. Look at her bows. This is the paper collection she's using, and she made some bows for me, and the spooky little tree. And I love this flower. Look at the layers on this flower. And she's got the little Dollar Tree foam balls. That is gorgeous. Marla, thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm excited. I want to get into this one. I want to get in. Look at this bad boy. OMG. OMG. She made a shake up for me. Look at this. Oh my gosh. She's got the creepy hand. She says Happy Halloween. Whoops. And we have her info in the back. Oh my gosh. Nina's Crafty Mom on IG. Very nice. Very nice. I'm loving this, Marla. And the dogs are going crazy, so that is a sign for me to go. I'll be back. Okay, we got entry number 6, and this is from our very own Miss Gina from Scrapinology here on YouTube and on Instagram. And my girl is also hosting a giveaway. So please go check her out. She's hosting a Snow and Cocoa giveaway, guys, and her prizes are so amazing. You cannot miss this one. Okay, go check her channel out. I'll put the links in the description box so that you could go click over there and check her out. So here we are. We have her card right on top, and look at her box, guys. So beautiful. She put some tissues on the outside, on the inside of the box. So gorgeous. I love this presentation. She has this little tiny wand right here. Make a wish, Eileen. Whoop, whoop. I will be making a wish. That's for sure. Look at her card, guys. She's got doilies going on, and she's got you're not getting older, just adding more awesome. Oh my God, Gina. Okay, let me open this up real quick. It says surprise. Hey there, Eileen, aka birthday girl. I'll just take up the rest of the room in your memory decks box. Oh my gosh. The big kahuna's coming through. Oh my gosh. So you have to know I love you since I've never made a memory decks card before. Oh wow. I must say it's because they remind me of cards which I suck at. Me too, Gina. Anywho, thanks for the fun challenge. I'm so glad to have met you and look forward to years of friendship. Yes, Gina. Happy birthday, sweet friend. Love, Gina, aka Scrapinology. Yes, baby, yes. I mean, that's a party right there, right? Look at all these pom-poms. Gina, did you make these pom-poms? What the heck? These are so adorable. Oh my God, you guys, look at, oh my God. Oh my God. Look at these pom-poms. These are so perfect for what she's hosting right now. Snow and Cocoa, baby. Oh my God, Gina. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put it right there. Okay, Okay, I'm getting used to this camera. Remember, the camera angle. Not the camera, it's just my phone. But, oh, I see some swans. You guys, I see some swans in here. Look, and some stars. Oh my goodness. Okay, Big Kahuna, how big is your memory dex card? Oh, it's heavy, girl. Oh my god. Look at the pom. I'm just gonna collect all the pom-poms real quick. Oh my gosh. This is so gorgeous. And the swans. Okay, they're all in there. So let me just grab these out. Let's see what she did. It says, whoop, yippee, yay. Hip, hip, hooray. Gina. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna cry. You guys. Look at what she did. Oh my god. Oh god. This is so cute. Gina. Oh my god. Look at this. It's my name. Ridiculous. Okay, there's puffy stickers here. The teeniest, tiniest flower. You guys see this? Gina's beautiful card. I'm loving this. It's a shaker. There's layers in there. You guys can see the depth of this. So the layers of a rosette are underneath another layer of acetate, which contains this shaker. So the shaker bits are not touching the rosette. Can you see that? It's gorgeous. Let me really show you guys, because I cannot. This is so beautiful. Gina, thank you so much. Look at this trim. It's super tiny trim. I mean, come on. Teeny tiny tissue paper trim, guys. So precise. I don't know. I couldn't do that. And then look at all her beautiful tiny flowers all the way around. It says happy birthday to you. And my cupcake is inside. Oh my goodness. I think there's another. Is there another layer? Oh no, it's in there. The cupcake is in there. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, Gina. Thank you so much. I'm just trying to pull off the glue string. And then they have this teeniest, tiniest pom-pom trim. Oh, I love it, Gina. Oh my goodness. And then here, look, surprise, Eileen. And then it says, okay to open. Oh my goodness, so awesome. I love she used a little pocket. Let me see. Okay, Gina. Oh, there it is. A little something for you. So adorable. Created with love, Gina, Scrapinology. Oh my gosh. I love this. This pocket is so perfect, girl. Like, seriously? This is how we do it, guys. This is definitely how we do it. So, keeping that info covered, and oh my gosh, little present. Gina, thank you so much. I love the banner. I'm so in love with this banner. And definitely you are going to be the tallest one in my new Memory Dex box, which I have yet to create. I still got to make that. So guys, please go check them out. I will add the links down below for you to go and enter into Gina's giveaway challenge also. Super easy. You won't regret it. She has awesome prizes. Go check them out, okay? Marla too. So I love you all, and thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.